Give me a red. What's the deal, YouTube? Woo! The allergies killing me. Hold on. Woo! Dog, the allergies killing me. What's the deal, YouTube? At the old high school. With a GTO, man, 2004 GTO. Hey, man. Say it up to Logan. You can cut it off, nah. Cut it off. It's my buddy Logan, man. Oh shit, we at the old high school with it. Logan, say what up.
What's going on?
We kind of dark. Hold on. There you go. Before you go on this drive along and do the review, say what up to my people, man.
What's going on? So it's my GTO. So I got Texas cam, V2 cam. I got Porter 241 heads and long tube headers. Drag springs, 3200 stall converter, catch can, cold air intake, Torsen LSD, and a few other little shit and giggles to roll with it. It's making like 450, 465. It's not bad.
Yeah, this boy heat. I'm doing this car, and the video after this is gonna be something special. Cause we got some plans for her over there that I haven't revealed yet. We got some plans, so pay attention to how this car is, man. Oh my God, my eye crying.
Depending how fast Danny get his shit done, we might have to run it.
Yeah, facts, my eye crying though. Woo, allergies. It's not good, man. So he got a Texas Speed Torquer V2 cam, 3200 star. We in the 04 GTO. Finna go for a ride along, man. Start this bitch up, man.
I gotta do a service check.
Oh, yeah.
It won't start if I don't do it. So you gotta do system check. Everything turns on.
Yes, sir. Let me buckle in. You feel me? Alright, man. Going for a ride along in the GTO. Sheesh. I ain't been in this car in a minute. We was supposed to shoot this video back when it was still kind of cold outside.
My shit fucked up.
When his cold starts really be done. But yeah, his shit fucked up. So she back out healthy. Oh my God. Roll up my window just a little bit. LS's are, y'all know I'm a Chevy boy. LS's are my favorite sounding engine. Let me get it to you. Alright, yeah. LS's are like my favorite sounding engine, man. This is LS1 5.7 cam. What you got? 102 millimeter throttle body. You got the 102 millimeter intake too?
Got it all.
Man, come on. Frankenstein.
I got the OTR cold air intake, which is like $300.
Man, Brody got shit from a couple of different LS's.
LS7 lifters. I got LS6, LS7, everything. I got every LS I got. Besides the LS4. That shit's weak.
Man, this bitch right here with the red guts, man. Y'all know man, red interior. Oh my God. The sound clips right now.
You should have had the GoPro.
Man, look, y'all. I left the GoPro. So if this video has GoPro footage, it's from tomorrow. From the day we're shooting this. It's from tomorrow.
I might have to come down to French.
Ooh, if you do that, oh wow, okay. If you do that, we might get some views. We might get some views if you come to French. No cap. But
you wanna hit the freeway?
Yeah, we can, for sure.
Yeah.
We don't gotta go too far. But guys, I had to get this review on the channel, man. From 2004, the interior is perfect. A little wear on the seats, but it's nothing too crazy.
The back seats are new.
The back, yeah, your back seats. And I actually just got done sitting right there. Your back, this is, it ain't a Challenger as in space-wise, but this is a spacious coupe. I'm 5'11", I can sit back there. You know what I'm saying? I ain't the tallest, but I have some good room back there. If you 6 foot, you can sit in the back of one of these. It's practical. You know what I'm saying? Because as you all know, my Firebird got discontinued in 02. And they came out in these, this is the first year, right?
Yeah.
They came out with the GTOs in 04.
These got less problems than the 05 and 06s.
Man, you got the stitch shift knob.
Yeah.
You got the red under the glove box all around.
It's red. It used to be a manual. This is all red.
I'm hip. He got the screen in here. He got the red gauges. Red in the door panels, man. Man, we gotta get some freeway clips.
Next car gonna be a bit. Sure.
Man, I would just keep this.
Yeah, but you know you wanna go new eventually though.
True.
Cause no, if I told you how many people I found try to work on this car, not a lot.
No, I'm hip.
We gotta order parts a week in advance just to get them for these cars.
No, for real. I've been waiting for my exhaust system for over a week. But I ain't gonna talk too much about that on camera.
Just for the front tie rods and struts, I called about 17 different places and none of them had them.
Tripping.
I've called all you out fucking Chesterfield, everywhere. And they were like, you can order them. I'm like, no, I need them today. No, I ain't got them today.
Man, so what's your future plans for the car?
I mean, the supercharged these kind of cars, they're about $7 grand to $8 grand more to supercharge than they are to turbo. Most 04s I've seen, they got turbos, twin turbos or just regular turbos. So I mean, if I had a plan with it, I'd push about 15 PSI, just one turbo. I'll be at like 700. That would be the plan.
So you ever gonna take this car to the drag strip? I know Logan going to the military, y'all, so his car gonna sit for a little minute.
Just rack, and then spin.
You feel me? So we about to do some freeway pulls for us. Comment below who you think gonna win in the next video. They don't know what I'm doing yet. So in this video, they don't know. We just talking. But yeah, this gonna be a good race coming up for sure. Most definitely.
They wanted me to put nitrous on here. And after what happened to your car, I was like, no.
Nah, yeah.
Yeah, big lot for nitrous.
Yeah, I bought that motor tour up though.
Yeah,
I bought it like that.
But that's what made the tour up though.
Yeah, most definitely. There's so much traffic, we can't even get a good speed run. We cruising at like 80. 85, you feel me? So your dash go all the way to 200.
The most I beat was 165.
Nah, let me see, bro. This. Now, what I was talking to Kane about. I'm gonna cut this part off the video. Some. slow. Let all them just go through that.
With the tan interior.
Exhaust clip coming. Whoa. Sheesh.
There we go. This is where we gotta get on here.
Going so crazy, man. Going so crazy. So how much, what's your horsepower and torque numbers again? What are they?
It's like, I'd say, it's like 470 to 500.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Something
And
like
he has the same cam I was looking at earlier today. We're gonna talk about this more off camera.
Yeah.
I gotta show you. I didn't even know you had this cam. I'm not even trying to copy. I got recommended that cam last night. Continue this video tomorrow, but still remember to swipe up, subscribe, turn on that notification button, like and subscribe, man.